Here we are. It's been 1 year since I installed the BD Diesel exhaust manifold kit on my Ram 1500 that's sitting behind me, and about 60,000 people have watched that video, and probably 60,000 people have asked how they've been holding up. So let's do a 1 year review. I installed the manifold kit on my truck because the OEM manifolds had warped and I was getting a horrible ticking coming from this passenger side wheel well of my truck. And let's crawl under the truck. Let me grab my creeper. Let's crawl under the truck and take a look at them. So there they are 1 year later. I mean, they haven't even rusted. They look really good. Here's my catalytic converter. You can see the rest of the exhaust system, but the manifold itself still looks as good as it did the day I put it on, minus a few mud splashes on it from the last time I was driving up at my dad's farm. And you can see the driver's side looks equally as good. No rust. I mean, they've just held up really well. So visually speaking, the quality seems to be there. But more importantly, that quality seems to have extended over to the performance side as well too, because I've been very happy with the kit on my truck. I've driven it every single day to work. I drive it up to my dad's farm, very regularly. That's up and over a mountain pass. I've driven it on long trips out to California, up and down the coast in California with it. I have towed with it. I've towed several tractors, so I've been really happy with it. And that ticking hasn't come back, not even once. And just to keep the record clear, I'm not getting paid at all by BD Diesel to say what I'm saying. I mean, I paid for the kit myself when I put it on a year ago, and so I'm trying to give you a completely non-biased review of these exhaust manifolds from someone who has had them on my truck for a year. So let's get the thing started and let's pull it out, and you can hear for yourself how the exhaust manifolds sound. So there you go. That's how it's been every single start for the last year. So as you can see, I've got just over 100,000 miles on the truck, and it's just been doing great. So that's my review video, a year in. I've been very pleased with the exhaust manifold kit. They've done exactly what they were supposed to do, and I haven't had to worry about them, so I've been pleased. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It does help my channel grow, and I put out a weekly video. Most oftentimes we're working on tractors or other old equipment, but I will probably continue to do a couple of videos every now and then on my truck as problems arise. So thanks so much, you guys, and I'll see you next week with another video.